Barack Hussein Obama. Joseph Stalin was not a bad man. He also said, yes, we can. Barack Hussein Obama. Hugo Chavez not a bad guy. During his campaign, he also lied. Barack Hussein Obama. Red, yellow, purple, or green, socialism is pretty keen. Barack Hussein Obama. An American hating religious man, Reverend Wright told Obama, yes, you can. Barack Hussein Obama. In prison, Van Jones bragged to be a communist bent on destiny. Barack Hussein Obama. Van Jones unfortunately slated to be the first communist czar in American history. Barack Hussein Obama. Afghanistan, Barack said to be the real war in which we needed to key. Barack Hussein Obama. Unanswered went the desperate pleas of the generals Barack had chosen to lead. Barack Hussein Obama. Chicago Olympics appeared to be more important than the lives of American infantry. Barack Hussein Obama. The Gulf is turning oily. Executive experience is lacking, he. Barack Hussein Obama. An emergency should never go to waste. Cap and trade he'll implement without haste. Barack Hussein Obama. Space is no longer meant to be NASA's first responsibility. Barack Hussein Obama. Obama's directive was loud and clear. Make Muslim countries happy year to year. Barack Hussein Obama. Arizona appeared to be a bigger enemy than Al-Qaeda will ever be. Barack Hussein Obama. Secure the borders meant little to he, so long as Hispanics vote for the big D. Barack Hussein Obama.